Welcome to my channel. This morning I'm going to walk you through some challenges people that use Microsoft Word to face, and that is solving the problem of page numbering. Okay, so I'm going to guide you on how to insert page numbers in your document. I'll use my already created document that does not have any page number to explain this topic. Okay, what I'll cover in this video is how to add one kind of page number in a document and how to add different formats of page numbers in Word document. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is just to access your Word app. You can use the search app to get to your Word app, or just type Word in the search space. Okay, so I assume you already know how to do this. So I'll tap on the Word app for it to open. Okay, my Word has opened. A Word desktop app. So here I have some documents I recently created. So I'd like to work with the first one as sample. So how to number page. So it has some text and some objects inside. So it makes the work easy for us. So let's not waste much time. Okay, let's hold on for it to load. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, all right. The document has loaded. So, and that is what we are having here. Okay, let's assume this is something I have already, and I want to number these pages. Okay, the first step is just for me to get to the beginning of the document. Okay, so and just click on Insert tab. When I click on Insert tab, I look for page number. See page number here. Click on it. Then I'll choose where I want to assign this page number. You can see top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin, and the rest. But here, let me just assign the page number to the bottom of the page. So it has given me some samples. All right, I click here at the bottom, then I'll choose from these samples here. So I like working with the second option, plain number 2. Click on it. As you can see, I have assigned page number here. So it opens my footer, my head automatically. Then I'll click at the main document for that to be closed. Okay, you can see now I have page numbers here, page number 1, number 2, number 3, and the rest. So it continues like that till page number 154 because this document is 154 pages. You get that? All right. Now I have talked you through on how you can number pages straight up with one's kind of number. So what of a situation whereby you don't want that? You want the table of contents section to have different kind of page number and the copyright page to have different kind of page number. Then this section from chapter 1 to have a different kind of page number is doable, and that is what I'm covering here as well. So it's doable. So what we do is just to take few steps. All right, take few steps and get it done. Then it starts with breaking these documents into sections. All right, so I will come. This is where the content section ends. Down here, I'm getting to that. Okay, down here, this is where the content section ends. So I will tap on this spot for the cursor to be blinking, as you can see now. The next step is for me to look for how to break this into different what? Page sections. Alright. So I will get to the command that will allow me to do that. And that is the layout command. Layout tab, sorry. I'm already on the layout tab. So click on your layout tab. Then you will see some options or commands there. So click on breaks. See where my cursor is. Then select the option to next page. As you can see, automatically this document has been broken into two sections now, which is section 1 and section 2. The section 1 starts with the copyright page, which is here. Let me scroll up for you to see it. Copyright page, that is where this section 1 starts, and it ends at the last page of the table of contents, which is here. So that's section 1. The sections 2 starts from chapter 1 down to the end. So let me now number this section 1 first before I go and I do what? And number the remaining sections. Alright? So, and that is what we can do through the insert tab. So I click on the insert tab. Then get to the page number section. Then I'll select the option to format page number. Okay. Here I have to choose 1, 2, 3, and the I, and the rest. Okay. So you see, I have conditioned the comment now to start with from I, and the rest. So let me still do it again. I'll come to the insert tab. That's what I did. Okay. Then an insert tab, I'll click on page numbering, format, not page number. I choose I, and the rest. So I say start at I. As you can see that, click on and then click OK. Now go back again to the insert tab again. Click on the page number again. Now is when we want to insert this page number. We choose where I want to insert it. We want to insert it at the bottom. All right, click on it. You can see the page number has been assigned now to this page. You see, to section 1. So the section 1 starts with I. I see that I, I, IV, and this is where the section 1 ends. You get that? That is where the section 1 ends in the numbering. Now, let's go and number this one from chapter 1. What do? I click on the first page of the section 2, which is chapter 1. Forget about this number you see here, this 5 is here. We are going to change it here. Then go to the insert tab again for us to see some commands we work with. Then choose page number, format page number. Here we want to start with I, and the rest. And I will condition this start at 1. Okay, for it to start this second section at 1, I'll click OK. As you can see, automatically it has started this section 2, which is start from chapter 1. It has started from 1. You can see that 2, 3, 4, and the rest. So this is just the simple steps on how you can do what? Number your document, your Word document. So any way you want to do it, it is explained in this video. I wish you all the best. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, comment, and like this video. Thank you.